Hello, and welcome to your 11th vocabulary lesson in this series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. We will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook and let's get started. Here are your first four words. Anymore, ground, forest, wake. Anymore means any longer. Anymore. The ground is the top part of the earth we walk on. Ground. A forest is a place with lots of trees and animals. Forest. To wake is to not be sleeping anymore. Wake. The is so dry that there are no plants. The ground is so dry. I always wish to excited, but I am always sleepy. I always wish to wake excited, but I'm always sleepy. He lost so much weight that he didn't need his big pants. He didn't need his big pants anymore. Taking a nice walk in the is great for your health. Taking a nice walk in the forest is great for your health. Here are your next four words. Asleep. Introduce. Either. Truth. When a person is asleep, they are not awake. Asleep. To introduce someone is to say who they are. Introduce. Either is used to show two choices. Either. The truth is a fact or something that is right. Truth. There are always consequences if you don't tell the There are always consequences if you don't tell the truth. You never want to be at the wheel. You never want to be asleep at the wheel. That would be terrible. You can play the black pieces or the white. You can play either the black pieces or the white. It is always polite to coworkers to new employees. It is always polite to introduce coworkers to new employees. Here are your next four words. Berry. Marry. Decision. Strange. A berry is a small round fruit that grows on some plants. Berry. To marry is to legally become husband and wife. Marry. A decision is a choice. Decision. When something is strange, it is not normal. Strange. Be careful when you have to make a about life. Be careful when you have to make a decision about life. When meet the person you will When meeting the person, you will just know. When meeting the person you will marry, you will just know. Meeting. Oops. Some say it looks but I think it looks funny. Some say it looks strange, but I think it looks funny. I love to add to my cereal in the morning. I love to add berries to my cereal in the morning. Here are your next 4 words. Collect, prepare, creature, spend. To collect things is to save things you like. Collect. To prepare is to get ready for something. Prepare. A creature is any living thing. Creature. To spend is to use time doing something or being somewhere. Spend. I love to my time in the river fishing. I love to spend my time in the river fishing. There are many things to before a trip. There are many things to prepare before a trip. It is the strangest I have ever caught fishing. It is the strangest creature I have ever caught fishing. He had so much fun trying to every toy in the world. He had so much fun trying to collect every toy in the world. Here are your next 4 words. Compete, sail, conversation, serious. To compete is to try to be better than someone. Compete. To sail is to move a boat on the water. Sail. A conversation is a talk between people. Conversation. When something is serious, it is bad or unsafe. Serious. It is a beautiful day to the island. It is a beautiful day to sail to the island. The accident was so bad that everyone was injured. The serious accident. Oh, that's a terrible one. They spend all of their time preparing to be the best. They spend all of their time preparing to compete to be the best. A good can make anyone feel better about their day. A good conversation can make anyone feel better about their day. Write the correct answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. The doll broke when it fell to the floor. Ground. I like to use my time taking long walks. Spend time. He loved to travel in his boat to many islands. Sail. I stop sleeping when the dog barks. Wake. Many bats live in the place with lots of trees. Forest. Talking to friends about many subjects. Conversation. An animal that is alive. Creature. One thing or the other. Either. Choose the best answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. To prepare for the test, I had to study. Playing with a knife can lead to serious injury. It's strange for her to be mean. The parents and teacher had a conversation about the student. I collect books. She had to introduce me to her friend. I had to make a quick decision. He lies a lot, but this time it's the truth. Many countries compete in the Olympics. He was so tired he fell asleep. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.